Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me guide. In this video, I am gonna tell you guys that AI photo editing app is better than Lensa. Open the Lensa app and select the pictures. Now apply magic avatars and try them. There are some effects as you can see. Now continue and select 20 pictures from gallery and import them. Select your gender. Now you see that paid 100 unique avatars of rupees 1350. Instead of using this, I will tell you about more effective application. Tone Me. Open this app, then choose the effect and select your picture and apply effect. Now you see there is option of animate, art and effect and add your text. I will try animate effect here. And now see the difference. I will again take a effect and select the picture and see the result. Now I apply art and effect in this picture and see the result, and it's done. Thanks for watching.